Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Nissan Pathfinder door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a plastic trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 10mm socket. Begin by carefully prying off any small plastic covers, such as those behind the door opener handle or in the armrest, to reveal hidden screws. Typically, you will find 1 to 3 screws in these initial locations. Next, focus on the window switch panel. Use your trim tool to gently pry it up, often starting from the rear edge. Once loose, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab. Then, remove the single 10mm bolt located behind the door opener handle. Carefully detach the door handle cable from its clip and lever mechanism to free the handle. Now it's time to release the main door panel. Starting from the bottom or a corner, insert your plastic trim removal tool between the door panel and the metal door frame. Gently pry outwards to pop the plastic retaining clips. There are typically 8 to 10 clips distributed around the panel's edges. Work slowly and methodically around the entire perimeter to avoid damaging the clips or the panel itself. With all the clips disengaged, the door panel should now be loose. Carefully lift the entire panel straight up, as it often hooks over the top edge of the door frame. Before fully removing it, check for any remaining electrical connectors, such as for the door light or speaker, and disconnect them. You might also need to detach the door lock cable. Now, your door panel is completely removed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.